There's a guide on how you can find your friends on Spotify. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Spotify app. After opening it, you will be on this page. This is the home page of Spotify. On this page, click on your profile icon on the top left section of your screen. As you can see, there's a circle with your name's initial on it. For example, my name's Raghav, so it's R. So click on it. After that, this side menu will pop up. On this page, click on View Profile on the top. As you can see, there's an option on the top. Click on your, or just click on your name on profile. After that, you'll be transferred on this page. This is basically your profile. You have to click on the three dots. As you can see, there are three dots right next to the edit option. So you're going to click on that. After that, this menu will pop up and you'll see an option that says Find Friends, the first one. So you're going to click that. And then on this page, you'll see an option that says Connect to Facebook. So basically, if you have a Facebook account and you have friends on Facebook and your friends also have Spotify, so you can connect your Facebook account with this Spotify and all your friends who have Spotify will be shown here, and then you can follow them and add them to your friend list, and yeah, that's it. That's how you add friends on Spotify.